Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPad backups with Finder and iCloud storage. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your iPad using Finder, connect your iPad to your Mac with a USB cable. Open Finder from your Mac's dock. In the Finder sidebar, locate and select your iPad. If prompted, unlock your iPad and trust the computer. In the Finder window, you will see several options available for your device. Look for the Backups section. Choose Backup all of the data on your iPad to this Mac. You can also select Encrypt Local Backup for enhanced security. After selecting your desired options, click the Backup Now button. Wait for the backup process to complete. You can verify this by checking the date and time of the last backup displayed in the Finder. Now, to backup your iPad using iCloud storage, ensure your iPad is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Select iCloud from the list of options. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. Toggle the switch to enable iCloud Backup if it's not already on. Tap on Backup now to start the backup process. You can monitor the progress and confirm the backup once it's complete. With these steps, your iPad is safely backed up using both Finder and iCloud storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.